I decided to take some water and use my Ferris wheel ink press inks, specifically Poison Ivy. And so I put water with a dropper in the shape of Muka, and then I added Poison Ivy and kind of just let the ink do whatever it wanted to. And then I did it again, a little bit lighter, and let it kind of just let the water push it from one Muka to the other Muka. And I was really amazed at what it did. And then I added a couple other colors, like Open Sea Atrium. And then I used this little mini leaf blower that I have. The link is in my Amazon affiliate if you're interested in that. And then I used this Main Street Marmalade. And then the yellow that I end up using on the other one is Freshly Squeezed Sunshine. And all of them are Ferris wheel ink press inks, but I use them as paint and watercolor. And once they dry, they took a very long time to dry because you saw how much water I had put on. And then I tangled over the watercolor. And I tried to leave the ink, which I'm now using as a paint, a watercolor, as much as alone as I could. But I did end up adding some shading. And I just really love how the whole thing turned out. So this is actually going to be the first piece of art that I'm actually going to auction. So I just kept going. I inked it, I shaded it, I added different shades of the same ink, just darker or lighter in different areas. If you're interested in the Ferris wheel ink press inks, there is a link in my bio, and if you use OTL as the code, you'll get 10% off. I love them because they'll last a very long time. You can mix colors to get lots of colors. So I love how this turned out. So anyway, enjoy and have a fabulous day, and check out the link in my link tree.